Are we live yet? Are we live? What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestine Capital here. Let's just take a second to appreciate the sun. The sun is absolutely beautiful. It's beaming right now. I'm on my patio enjoying some sunlight, and this is the perfect time to record a video. So I just figured, why not kill two birds with one stone? Show you guys the payout, and show you guys the beauty of this sun, guys. Show you guys the beauty of this sun. As you can see by the title of the video, we have a payout with TOPSTEP. And not only do we have a payout, but I am requesting this payout live for you guys, in front of you guys, just to show you guys everything. And feels good to be back. It feels good to be back on TOPSTEP. I did a couple other companies. I did Tradeify. I was close to a payout, but because of the 20% rule, I just went crazy with it and just ended up blowing the account. I went to FTMO. I'm going to go back to FTMO actually, because FTMO is back in the US. If you don't know, FTMO is back in the USA. So I'm going to do FTMO for sure. But I want to make sure that I capitalize on TOPSTEP first. I want to max out everything with TOPSTEP, and then I'll go to FTMO. But for the most part, yeah, I've just been focused. That's the biggest thing for me. I've been focused. I've been honed in on everything, honed in on trading. I would never stop trading, guys. Don't think for a second that just because I'm not uploading YouTube videos, oh, I'm done trading. That's no, absolutely not the case. If anything, I'm more focused on trading when I'm not uploading YouTube videos than when I am uploading YouTube videos. So that's besides the point. You guys are here to watch me withdraw some money from my account, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys. We're going to go ahead and log into TOPSTEPX. As you know, this is their new platform, no longer with Tradeify. Now, before I go ahead and withdraw, I'm happy and I am upset with myself at the same time. I'm happy because I'm getting a payout, one, but I'm upset with myself because this payout could have been more. There was one day where I just went on tilt and completely blew all of my profit. As you can see, look at this, highest day 9,085. This account was at $9,000, almost at $10,000, 1,000 away from 10,000. But this account was at $9,000. Look where it is now, 6,224. Let me show you guys first what actually happened. Let's go to our performance stats. Win rate 33%. This just one day messed my win percentage up completely, messed my profits up completely. And I'm going to show you guys. So first, let's go back a little bit. Let's go back to October. October was absolutely beautiful, to end October specifically. And all of this, by the way, was made within a week. So I bought the account on the 28th or the 27th, started trading on the 28th. And you can see the profits that were made throughout that week. Everything was beautiful. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 days. And you know TOPSTEP has a 5 minimum trading days. So all I needed was one more winning day, which is $150, mind you. All I had to do was make $150. Fast forward to Monday. So on Friday, I had 4 winning days. Monday, all I needed was one more. Look what happened. I'm just going to let this sit here and you guys just look at it. I'm just going to let this sit here. You guys check this out. See how stupid I was. All I needed to do was make $150. So I lost the first trade. Okay, it's completely fine. And all these trades, by the way, were A+ setups. I lost every single trade that day. Were they forced? Yes. Was I supposed to stop at 2 trades? Yes. I lost over $3,000 in one day. So my profit was $150 and I was risking $3,000. So I was risking $3,000 to make $150. That is a complete negative risk to reward ratio. That doesn't even make sense. All right, first trade I lost about $300. Hopefully you can see this because this is kind of dark on my end. $300 on the first day. Sorry guys, I gotta pick up this phone call. As I was saying, first trade we lost about $300. Second trade, about $500. And by the way, I could have easily just made this video and say, hey guys, I got a $6,000 withdrawal, and not showing you any kind of losses, not showing you anything else. I could have just shown the positives, the goods of everything. But you guys know that's not how my channel is. You guys know that I like to show you every single thing. You guys know that I am as transparent as they come, and so that's what I'm going to continue to do. I'm going to continue to promote transparency and be transparent with you guys and show you guys every single thing. Again, all of these trades were taken in one day, guys. All of these trades were taken in one day. You can see the history. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Gold is really what killed me, if I'm going to be honest. Gold is really what killed me. Where is gold? MGC. There it is right here. I lost so much money on gold. But all in all, that day I lost $3,000. And this is for 2 accounts, by the way. So 3,000 on each account, 6,000 total. That was the worst trading day I've had probably in my entire career. That was the worst trading day I've had in my entire career. And I'm almost 5 years in, guys. And November 3rd was the worst trading day I've had in my entire career. I had to do a lot of reflection. There was a lot that I had to do in order to bounce back the next day just to make this 177. Because I lost the very first trade that next day. Here's the first trade right here. I lost the very first trade on oil. And then I came back and won on natural gas. Thankfully, those hit. And I was able to make the $150 that I need to make. And now I can request a withdrawal. So, moral of this story is that there's a lot of pain behind gains. I'm not trying to rhyme here. But there's a lot of pain behind the outcomes that you guys see, especially with my channel. There's a lot of pain. There's a lot of hardships. Again, I was riding on this huge high, winning every single day, $5,000 in one day, almost $6,000 in one day, and then we go to me having to make $150 for one more day. So I go from making almost $6,000 in one day to not being able to make $150 for one day. Just think about that. But nonetheless, that's enough for this. We're going to withdraw. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything. We're going to go ahead and withdraw. And yeah, hopefully this serves as some kind of testament that you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be perfect to withdraw from the markets. You don't have to be perfect to make profits from the market. You don't have to be perfect at all in life. But as long as progression occurs, good things will come always. As long as progression occurs, good things will always come. So let's go ahead and hop into this withdrawal, which is the reason you guys are here. Again, like I said, I have 2 accounts. These were the evaluation stages. These are the funding stages. We're going to start with this first account, which is 25, and then 25. Oh, actually, it's here in payouts. It's in payout. I'm going to request from 25 first. Again, this is the eligible amount I'm able to request. I'm just going to do 3,100 flat. And the second account, I'm able to do 3,100 as well. So perfect for both, 3,100 from both, so 62. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right here because I don't want you guys to see all of this sensitive information. Upload that. We are going to do ACH, U.S. residents only. All right. Personal bank. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. This is where you guys cannot see me do anything. So I'll be back. We are back once again. So I put my bank info, payout amount 3,100. All right, does not exceed that. All right, transfer out of my account before top step. So funds. Yeah, all right. I'm going to charge back disputes. All right, all of these are clear. 3,100. Payout submitted for that one. Boom. All right, next one. This one's pending. Request payout. Same thing. All right. I need to do this again? Oh, hell no. What? Oh man, that sucks. I pressed save. All right, I'll be back once again. This file's request for account will now be eligible for reactivation. Through back to fund it. I will be back, guys. I need to enter this once again. For the third time, I'm back. Entered our credentials. 3100 once again. All the acknowledgments checked. Submit. Boom, boom, boom. Funding approved. All right. So everything looks good. Submitted. Funds removed. Funding approved. Yeah. Once these should all be clear within the next, hopefully 24 hours. So we shall see, guys. 6,160 bucks. That's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Many more payouts to come. Many more payouts. I'm going to be reinvesting aggressively into more accounts with TopStep. So, guys, a lot more to see, a lot more to come, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.